The parents of a toddler who died from fentanyl poisoning earlier this year are being charged with first-degree murder. That's according to a grand jury indictment released today.
Yeah, they're also alleged to have continued their drug trafficking enterprise before, during, and after their daughter's death. 9 News reporter Courtney Yoon is live at the district attorney's office in Brighton. Courtney, the DA there says this might be the first murder charge related to fentanyl involving a young child.
Yeah, that's right, Tom. District Attorney Brian Mason says that this isn't the first murder charge related to fentanyl in Colorado, but to his knowledge, he says this is the first one involving a young child anywhere in the nation. Alonzo Montoya and Nicole Casillas, both 31 years old, are being charged with first-degree murder, child abuse resulting in death, racketeering, and conspiracy under the Colorado Organized Crime Control Act, or KUSA. District Attorney Brian Mason said during a press conference today, Montoya and Casillas are alleged to have participated in a drug trafficking enterprise which resulted in the death of their daughter, Aviana Montoya. She was 23 months old when she died.
We did charge these two originally with child abuse resulting in death, but then the investigation revealed that there were significantly larger crimes that needed to be investigated, and that's why we utilized the grand jury.
The grand jury indictment alleges that Casillas and Montoya's drug operation focused mostly on counterfeit pills, specifically oxycodone pills containing fentanyl. The indictment goes on to allege that Casillas and Montoya stored, manufactured, sold, and used drugs inside their home in close proximity to their young children, which exposed them to extremely harmful substances. The first-degree murder charge states Montoya and Casillas, quote, knowingly caused the death of Aviana Montoya. 9 News legal analyst Scott Robinson says this is the first case he's seen involving exposure of a child to fentanyl through simply selling it as part of a drug enterprise, as alleged in the indictment.
The idea that merely mixing fentanyl or creating these pills can create that much danger to a child, that's a very different fact situation than we've seen before.
An autopsy found both meth and fentanyl in Aviana's blood. According to the coroner, it was 10 times the amount needed necessary to kill an intolerant user, according to the coroner. Both Montoya and Casillas are in police custody. So far, no trial date has been set yet.
It wasn't that long ago that fentanyl was not in a newscast, and
Right.
now it's in every newscast, and these tragic stories continue. This will be an interesting legal one to follow as well. Thank you, Courtney.